Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite. Virgo, this is for the weekend of the 25th of September. So let's see what's going to come up for you, Virgo. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, thank you. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you all. As you must have noticed, our channel has grown, crossed the 5,000 mark last week. So our family of Omkara is growing steadily. Thank you so much for all the support. And if you're new here, we welcome you into the Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all readings and weekends as well now. So if you enjoy the reading, do join us. Before I start your opening your cards, Virgo, I'd like to take an angel blessing card to top this reading. So my angels, what do you have for Virgo now? A blessing or an advice for Virgo for this weekend? One more, please. Okay, one more. One more, please. Pause. There's a pause going on, Virgo, but you don't have to worry. You haven't done anything wrong. You're a sweetheart, the angels say. This was just part of a lesson. Right? This was just a part of a lesson. There's something that you have to learn from this experience. If you feel something has paused in your life, don't worry about it. It's just a pause, okay? Take it literally. It's just a pause. Maybe right now you're not feeling in control of, the way things are going, but it's just a pause. This is just a lesson that you had to learn maybe. Things are going to be well soon. So let's keep this here and start opening your cards and see what this pause is all about. So the first card I have for you is the Eight of Cups in reverse, Nine of Swords, and the Nine of Wands in reverse. Let's see. King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Five of Cups. Something about a return which is making somebody feel very, very worried for not being able to sleep at night, feeling the passion is not just there anymore. And then why are they returning? Spirit, why is this Eight of Cups in reverse? Yeah, they feel somebody or something has returned back to them for a fresh beginning, but it's kind of keep making them feel stuck. It's making them feel as if, somebody always wants to have the last word, somebody wants to be in control of their life, somebody plays mind games with them, and they're quite tired. They want to kind of drop this fight altogether. What's this Nine of Wands, Spirit? Nine of Swords? Nine of Wands, sorry. Nine of Wands, what's this Nine of Wands in reverse? They don't know whether to return back to this person who's a controlling person, or they want to move ahead, drop this altogether. This is like a dilemma going on, right? They don't know whether they want to return to this person or they want to walk away from this person. Whether they want to take a fresh new beginning in their life, or do they want to go back to this person who they think plays mind games with them and plays power games with them, makes them feel not so good. So right now this person is totally stuck, right? Not doing anything, not making any move, still kind of worrying, sitting and worrying and thinking, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Should I move ahead or should I drop it all together? And I think they're also either sending a message or waiting upon some message to come. I have a King of Pentacles who is in reverse, so this means that the situation or this person is feeling a bit ungrounded at the moment. There is no stability here for this person, and there may be a lot of romantic feelings, but whatever has happened in the past has not been the best. right? There are some memories that have been created between the two of you which have not been the best, even though one person may have wanted to, and this person also wants to bring back balance now to the situation, wants things to get back to a good place so that there is no more looking back at the past to see what didn't happen, right? There's one person who's struggling hard to kind of rectify things, while the other person is not wanting to really invest in this anymore. There's been a lot of fighting in this equation, Virgo. Whoever you're dealing with, I don't know whether you're the one who's wanting to bring back balance and justice, or is it your person? But there is one person who's still wanting to bring back balance and not be sad anymore, yet the other person is still not sure, right? So because of this dynamic, there's a lot of stagnancy going on. Nothing is really moving. Like my angel said, there's a pause in this relationship. There is nothing moving. The Magician, Two of Pentacles in reverse, and the Four of Cups in reverse. So there is still some underhand behavior happening this weekend. Somebody's trying to and manifest something, but they're not being able to, or maybe they're not doing it in the correct way, and somebody is just dropping the ball and no longer kind of even going back and forth in their mind. I think somebody is rejecting somebody, or something is getting rejected. There's a lot of sadness here. Yeah, a lot of sadness here, a lot of grief, a lot of feeling sad about what didn't happen, a lot of isolation this weekend, Virgo. I'm sorry. So what's this Magician spirit in reverse? What's this Magician in reverse? One more. Why is the Magician in reverse here? Somebody's wanting to make a choice now. Yeah, somebody's holding back now, trying to be strong against a person who they feel is a trickster to them. And because there's no more love left here in the situation anymore, Virgo, I'm sorry. Somebody's kind of dropping the ball here. Somebody's no longer wanting to go back and forth. They want to be relieved of all this stress and tension and worry. I think this is person A here on top who has been in this situation. They are now no longer wanting to fight for this connection anymore. So why is the Four in Cups in reverse, Spirit? Yeah, they are closing out this chapter completely. They are wanting to have a fresh new beginning for themselves. I think this person A has thought about it long and hard, whether to, move ahead, come back to the person, or move ahead, leave or return. And I think this weekend they're finally making a decision, and they're communicating it that, hey, I'm going to do what makes me happy now, okay? I'm going on for a fresh new beginning for my own Ten of Cups now. I'm sorry, Virgo. I'm sorry this is not going to work out, it seems, because you both are really not coming on the same page here. The two people who are wanting different things, right? So that's all I have for you now, Virgo. See you next week. Love and light. Namaste.